great is the Lord and the most worthy of praise. His greatness no one can fathom. Psalm 145 verses 3. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's recipe, we are going to be making this delicious beef and bell pepper rice. It is as simple as ABC. This is a one pot dish, so please stay tuned and let's get right into it. It's a quick fix. I love dishes like that. So here are my listed ingredients. I'm going to list each and every one below in the description box, so check them out. In the first place, I want to go ahead and season my beef. You may also decide to use chicken if you do not like beef, but I really love this with beef. I'm seasoning it with all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, a bit of salt, and my all-purpose natural spice blend. I'm going to just go ahead and massage each and every spice on the beef so that I'll set it aside for about 10 minutes before I proceed to put it in my pot. Remember, this is a one pot dish, easy recipe. I am so in love with this. So to my seasoned beef, I'm going to add about quarter size of chopped medium size yellow onion. I'm going to just make sure I mix everything together, and here is my homemade all-purpose natural spice cubes. I have shared the recipe. It is amazing. Please go ahead and watch and make some. It is absolutely great. I'm going to link it here and below. I'm going to just go ahead and mix everything or stir everything together. Cover it with adding no excess water. This is going to help the seasoning be well incorporated with the beef. So I'm going to just gently stir everything together and allow it to slowly cook for another 10 minutes on a low to medium heat, still with no additional water added. Just look how beautiful this beef came out. So amazing. So after a good 20 minutes of steaming the beef, it is now ready. I am going to set it aside, and the stock left behind is going to be very useful, so you just want to go ahead and set that aside as well. In the meantime, I'm going to get all my preps done. I'm going to cut my bell peppers. Every bell pepper, any color you like, you can use, but if you have more red, I will recommend that you use more of the red bell peppers. This is going to help give that rice a beautiful color. I also chopped some onions as well. I'm going to put everything in my blender straight away and blend it until they're nice and smooth. I'll add a little bit of water. Okay, so once everything is nice and done, I'll just go ahead and I'm going to be adding about 100 milliliter of cooking olive oil. You can use any oil of choice, and I'm going to just shallow fry this amazing delicious beef. I'm going to fry them for about 3 minutes each on each side on a low to medium heat as well. Do not just get them burned, okay? You just want to make sure they're nice and golden brown. That's all. So once you're done with frying your beef, you just go ahead and take them out, set it aside, and this is the most easiest part. You're going to now add your blended bell peppers and onions. You just go ahead and add it here, and I forgot to tell you that I also added 1 habanero pepper for that nice and hot kick. Okay, so please check in the description box. I have listed each and every ingredient used with the right quantity as well, so please be kind to check that out. I also rinsed the blender with about just a little amount of water, and I also went ahead to introduce my beef stock, which is absolutely important for this. It's going to definitely enhance the flavor for you. It is absolutely delicious. So stir everything to combine, cover it, and allow it to just slowly cook for another 15 minutes on a low to medium heat. And before you say jack, your delicious pepper sauce have really cooked, and all the water content in here has evaporated. It's the best time to add any seasoning of choice. I added my all-purpose natural spice blend, some all-purpose seasoning, and a bit of curry powder. Go ahead and taste for salt and adjust it to your preference as well. If you have paprika powder, please go ahead and add it here, and you're good to go. Right now, we're going to add our washed jasmine rice. Please use any rice of choice, and this is just so amazing. Stir everything to combine. Add a little good amount of water, about a cup. I use 3 cups of rice here, and I use 1 cup of water to just cook everything well together. It is so good. It reminds me of jollof, an easy way to make jollof, of course, with no stress at all. And the colors of all the bell peppers are representing here. Some are sweet, some are spicy, and some are just so nice to have in your dishes. And this was a complete hit. So after you added the water, make sure you stir gently to combine. Adjust it with salt to your preference, and you want to go ahead and cover it. Allow this rice to cook for about 25 minutes on a low to medium heat, and you'll be so glad of the outcome. It is so delicious. If you do not want to stress yourself with the long jollof cooking process, you definitely have to try this bell pepper rice, because I believe you're going to love it. Okay, so after about 15 minutes of it cooking, you realize that you've lost most of the water content, so you just want to go ahead and stir it gently together and add your beef. Now those beautifully fried golden beef, they are just so amazing. You may also choose chicken, of course, or turkey. Any protein of choice is definitely allowed here. So go ahead, stir gently to combine, and cover it this time with some parchment paper for an extra 10 minutes, and you should be done. Oh my goodness, the aromas coming through is just incredibly delicious. You will love this so much. Look at what we have here after cooking this for about 25 minutes. This is what you have. You just want to go ahead, stir everything to combine. Make sure each and every grain is perfectly cooked well together. One thing I love to top it up with is my amazing chopped spring onions. You may decide to also omit this part, but I love a little bit of crunch in there. So I'm going to stir everything together and cover it, allow it to simmer for 2 minutes, and we'll be good to go. It is so amazingly delicious. If you're loving this recipe already, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. You want to save it for when you want to make a new rice recipe. You want to go ahead and try this. You're going to definitely love it, and I believe it's not going to be your first and last time. You'll be making this over and over again. The aroma alone is absolutely delicious. All that we have to do here is to just put it on our plate and enjoy. I serve this with a bit of fried plantain, of course, ripe plantain, and some Ghana salad to go with this. You can also add a bit of shito. If you want extra spiciness, it is absolutely okay. I have my Ghana salad recipe on here. I'm going to link it below, so please kindly check it out. You're going to love that as well. So there you have it, family. This brings us to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and you're definitely going to give it a try. Please kindly give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, because they deserve to know this. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.